Hello, good day. For this session, I will be showing and teaching you on how we can assign the tickets that we have here in Zoho Desk to our agents or teams. So we will be discussing now the manual and the automated approach, or we can also call it assignment rule here in Zoho Desk. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have here my demo instance, the Zoho Desk. So before we will be redirected to this page for the ticket list, you need to log in first with your Zoho Desk organization, and then you will be redirected here. So from here, to do the manual approach, we can simply select the ticket that we will be reassigning or assigning an agent. So let's say for example this one, let's just open this one. We have here the key information. We can basically update the ticket owner here to the agents that we have here. Also, we can assign a theme as well instead of agents, but for now let's just stick to the agents. Then as you can see, the ticket has been successfully assigned. For the assignment rule or the automated one, we can go to the setup page or the settings page by clicking this gear icon. Then we can search here the assignment rules, or we can go to the automation menu. Then under it we have here the assignment rules. Let's just click this one, and then we have the option to select direct assignment or round robin, but for now let's just use this direct assignment first. So let's create a new direct assignment. So we'll start by giving it a name. So V1. Then we can also add description here. We can also include the ticket update to execute this assignment rule, but for now let's just trigger this if a ticket has been created. For the update, we will not be triggering this one. Then add target. Then we can select here what department we will be targeting, but for now let's just select any department so that all departments will trigger this automation. We can also set the criteria of what ticket only will be proceeding in this assignment. So let's say for example, if the email contains Gmail, then we will proceed to this moving of ticket. We can move this to other department aside from assigning a user or agent for this ticket. So let's say we will be moving this into Demo 98 department. For the agent, we will be assigning this one to user 1. Then let's hit save. So that's it. That's how we can create the direct assignment rule. So let's go and test it up. Let's try adding a new ticket that will satisfy the criteria that we have set to that assignment rule, which is the email specification. So let's try adding new ticket. So for the department, let's do this so that we will know if it is actually reassigned to this one, since this is the target department for that automation. So let's select another aside from it, say this one, and we can just select this one. This has a Gmail, so we will be expecting that the assignment rule will be triggered. And then let's add other information as well. So since we are targeting the user 1 for that automation, let's select another user. Oh, we cannot. That one. So let's submit this one. So take note for the department and ticket owner. Once we submit this and we view this record, we will be assuming that it will be reassigned to demo 98 and also to the user 1, since that's the action that we have made for the assignment rule that we have created earlier. So submit. Let's go back. So as you can see, let's hit the edit. The department is successfully reassigned to demo 98 and the ticket owner is successfully reassigned to the user 1, which is the specification for the assignment rule that we have created earlier. So that's it. That's how we can use the direct assignment rule for us in order to automate the reassigning of tickets inside the Zoho Desk. And we can now proceed to the round robin type of the assignment rule. So basically, this is an automation also, but the difference is you can cater multiple agents at a time. So let's try adding one. So say this one. We can also add description. You can as well trigger this one in the update, but for now let's just trigger this in ticket create, then add target. So we can actually set criteria as well for this one. Let's say the email contains Yahoo. So here we have the types of round robin. We have the list assignment. So we assign tickets to agent based on their load until everyone receives the set threshold, and we have also the sequence assignment. This is actually new here in Zoho Desk. It assigns tickets equally among agents in a sequential manner in round robin fashion. And we have also the skill based assignment, the assigning of tickets to agent according to their designated skills. But for now, let's just use this one, the default, and then we can select the team, say this one. Then we can actually exclude other agents as well if we don't want to exclude some agents that is belong to this specific team. But for now, let's just untoggle this, then save. So that's it. That's how we can create or configure assignment rule here in Zoho Analytics. Thanks and have a great day. Hello, good day. For this session, I'll be showing and teaching you on how we can merge tickets here in Zoho Desk. So first thing, you need first to sign in or log in into your Zoho Desk organization, and then upon successfully signing in, you will be redirected to this page or the ticket list page. So from here, we need first to select a specific department, as we cannot do the merging inside this all departments tab. As you can see, we don't have the merge options here. So for us, in order to do that, let's select first a specific department. So let's say this one. Let's see if no, let's just select another department, as we only have one ticket here. Let's try to select it. Okay, this one. So from here, we need to select the ticket first that we will be targeting for merging. So let's say, for example, this one also, and also this one. And as you can see, we have here the merge option. Let's just click this. Then from here, let's select the information that we wanted to retain for this merging that we will be doing. So for the name, we'll just retain this one. For the phone, let's use this. You can also select this to be retained. For the then here, but as you can see, it's just the same, but just to show you that we have the ability also to select from this ticket as well. you can also select this email, and then once finalized and you are ready to go, just click the merge button and just merge. Here as you can see, we've successfully merged the three tickets we've had earlier. So that's basically how we can merge tickets here in Zoho Desk. And just wanted to add also, if your agent or the user don't have the merge access, you can configure that here in the settings page under user management profiles. Select the profiles for that agent that cannot access, and then find the find and merge option. Just toggle it on and they will be able to do the merging by themselves. So that's it. That's how basically we can merge tickets here in Solus. Hello, good day. For today's session, I will be showing you on how we can utilize or manage tickets using the split feature here in Zoho Desk. So before we actually get to the demonstration, let's have a quick overview first. So in customer service, keeping the ticket process simple help customers while agents ensure issue are routed to the right teams. If a customer asks about two different concerns, for example, product info and insurance, the agent can split the ticket so each team can handle their parts separately. No need for the customer to create multiple tickets. So without any further ado, let's do the actual thing. So basically, we can actually select few tickets here with a thread and then demonstrate the splitting. But for us to relate more, let's start by adding a new ticket. So we have here the agent side or the main portal of Zoho Desk. Then we have also here the help center or help desk. This is for the customer portal or the customer side. So let's start by adding a new ticket here in the customer portal. So add. So we'll just need to provide some information here. For the department, let's just select the support department. For the subject, let me just copy something here. Then for the first message in the thread, let's use this one. So as you can see, this concern is about the setting up the smartwatch that the customer both. Just take note of this since this will be relevant to the use case. So for the product name, let's just skip this one. Let's make it in a high priority. For classification, let's make it a problem. We can actually also attach a file here if we wanted to, but for now, let's just skip it. And then let's proceed in submitting this ticket. Upon submitting it, it will immediately reflect here in Zoho Desk. So for the agent side, let's view the ticket that is being submitted. Then let's add some response. Also, take note that we can only split a ticket from a customer reply, not the first message. In this case, this is the first message. So we cannot split this since this is the first message. And also we cannot split from an agent response. So this we don't have the option to split here. And also for the reply that we will be doing, we cannot use this also for splitting. So let me just send this one. So as you can see, we will not able to be split. We will not be able to split this one. So the reason why we cannot split this one is that once we split this, then there will be no remaining threads within this ticket. So that's why we are only allowed for the upcoming response from customer to split. So let's add the ticket. I mean the next reply. Let's just make a refresh to make it reflect here. So we have here the agent response. So reply. Let me just copy something here again. And then as you can see, the concern here is different from what is originally discussed here. So this reply will be the subject for splitting. So let's just send this, go back to the thread, and yeah, this is the use case right now. Is, as you can see, the use case right now that we have is really fit for the splitting feature, since we wanted to separate these separate concerns that the customer brought up. So to do that, let's just hover this new reply from customer here in the three dots. Then we have here this split as new ticket. So upon splitting it, only the selected reply is moved into the new ticket. The entire thread after it, not the entire thread after it. So as you can see, this will remain here, and the splitting will create a new ticket with the same subject, but will have that specific message that we targeted for the splitting feature. So what happened basically is only the choosing customer reply becomes a new ticket. The rest stays in the original, allowing both issues to be handled independently. So that's it. That's how we can utilize the split feature in Zoho Desk, so that our agents and customer concerns will be catered more efficiently and much accurately. So that's it. Hello, good day. For this session, I will be showing you on how we can utilize the tagging feature here in Zoho Desk for us in order to effectively organize, categorize, or navigate specific tickets here in Zoho Desk. So without any further ado, let's start. So we'll just need to select a sample ticket here that we will be tagging for this demonstration. So let's say, for example, this one. So upon selecting it, we will be seeing this tag field here in this specific ticket. So upon clicking it, we can actually utilize the existing tags here. But if we wish to add new, we can simply add or input the name here. Let's say, for example, this one. Then click enter or select this new tag. Then upon clicking it, it will automatically be assigned to this ticket. And then we are successfully creating this new tag. So let's close this one. And for us, in order to show all the tickets for that specific tags, we'll just only need we only need to navigate to this tag navigation here. Let's just click it, then select the tag we wish to be displayed. So upon selecting this, say for example, ticket newly created tag, it will show all the tickets with that specific tags here in this menu. So that's it. That's how we can utilize the tag here in Zoho Desk for us in order to navigate specific tickets and organize it based on our preferences. So, thank you and have a great day.